Okay, so you have signed up to be an artist, and a lot of people have the question of like, well, now what? Like, how am I going to know how to color match? How am I going to, I don't even know how to make graphics, and I'm nervous about making my own graphics. And the best thing is that you don't have to do any of that right off the bat. So we have basically 24/7 support once you become an artist between our Facebook Messenger groups that you'll have access to. And in those groups are tons of artists that are available to answer any questions, help you with color matches.
Yeah, I think color matching is a big barrier. People are nervous about that. Think that it's going to be really difficult, and you don't have to be good at it at first. You don't really have to know what you're doing. You can ask, and there are so many ladies that will help and teach, and we have training on this and all kinds of stuff to help you feel more comfortable with the color matching.
For sure. You just learn as you go, basically.
Yep.
In the beginning, it's a little difficult for everybody to get the hang of it, but we all help each other out, and then you just slowly, again, after the trainings and help from all of your peers, you'll totally get the hang of that. So again, you're never like left in the dust to figure that out on your own.
No, and if you're not a technology person, I don't feel like I'm a technology person at all. I've already learned so much, and if you don't know how to make graphics, we can teach you, we can show you, people will make them for you. You can search our Facebook groups. There's all kinds of ways to get your hands on content, so you don't have to know what you're doing technology-wise.
Exactly, and like Jess said, you'll have access to our Facebook groups that are full of Seint images, before and after photos, all fun games, all this different stuff. So again, if you're either somebody who doesn't want to make your own graphics or is, nervous in the beginning, you have access to all of this stuff to use, to share with your customers, to share on your groups. And again, as soon as you're an artist, you have access to all of that stuff. So it's just a nice support system. You don't ever have to feel like you're kind of in the dust to figure everything out yourself.
No, it's a great team. The network of artists are fantastic.
Yes.
So.
And everybody wants everybody else to succeed.
Yes.
So no one's there to try to, make their graphics and hide them. And like, we're all there to, everybody share this. We love the product. We want to share it with as many people. And
Super supportive.
Yeah, we want to help everybody to succeed for sure.
So no worries with that.
Yeah.